everyone, this is our trommel scrubber. Now it's loaded and ready to ship to Guyana. This machine is designed for processing 250 tons per hour alluvial gold with multi-stick clay. It features no screen but has bare-mount discharging part according to customs requirement. The drum size is 6 meters in length and 2.4 meters in diameter. The drum has steel plates and PU plates to enhance the long life of this machine. The drum is driven by 16 rubber tiers powered by 4 famous brand motors and 4 K-series reducers. Each motor has 60 kilowatts, so totally the machine has 120 kilowatts. Now it's ready to go.